everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have came up with a makeup tutorial which is going to be on this look right here. This is an inspired makeup look and it's inspired by Deepika Padukone. I love her, she's my favorite actress, and this look is so simple, so I recreated it. I tried to recreate this look as close as possible to her, so hope you guys will like it. If you really want to know how to recreate this, then keep on watching and let's get started with the video. I've already moisturized my skin with my favorite moisturizer. Then I'm taking this L'Oreal Beige Magique primer to prep my skin, and I'm taking little amount and spreading it to the T-zone area to smoothen out my skin. And then I'm moving on to the foundation, and for foundation I'm using this L'Oreal Matte Magique foundation, and the shade name will be in the description box. I'm taking this foundation on the back of my hand and applying it with the help of a beauty blender, and then I'm spreading the product to my skin like so. This shade is a little light for me, but I have to work with it, and contouring will do the work for me. Spend a good amount of time in blending the base because blending makes the makeup look flawless. So blend, 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 blend. As the shade is little light for me, so to even out my skin tone, I am applying the foundation to my neck area as well. Now to conceal and highlight my under eyes and other areas, I'm using this concealer by NYX HD Concealer. Again, the shade name will be in the description box. So I'm applying the concealer under my eyes in V shape so that it helps to highlight my under eyes. And as in the picture we can see that Deepika has highly highlighted under eyes, and her face was really highlighted, so I am trying to achieve the same look. So I'm applying the concealer under my eyes and blending it with my fingers so that the heat from the fingers melts the product into my skin so that it gives me a more natural look. But if you want, you can go with a beauty blender as well, but in this look I like to work with my finger. It gives me more natural look. And then to give my face a little structure, I'm using this contour shade by Makeup Obsession, and this is in the shade medium. I'm applying this product with the help of a beauty blender. You can use whatever tools you like to use. So yeah, I'm placing the product just below my cheekbone so that it gives me a more structure and sculpted look. And then to set my under eye concealer, I'm using this contour palette by Wet n Wild, and this is in the shade Caramel Toffee. And from that I'm using this banana powder under my eyes to set it. I'm not going to set my entire face because I have extremely dry skin and I don't want the powder to make my skin even more dry. And then I'm moving on with this contour shade and set my contour with this. Oh my god, this is such a beautiful contour shade that I've ever used. This is so beautiful, so and perfect for this look as well because Deepika's face was highly contoured and highly bronzed, so this would be the perfect choice for this look. And then to give my cheeks a flush of color, I'm using this blush, and this is from Maybelline Color Show blush, and the shade name will be in the description box again. As in the picture, Deepika wasn't wearing much blush, so I'm going to do this exact same thing. I'm going very light hand with the blush, as you can see, and applying it to the apples of my eyes. And in case if you apply a little more, then just soak it up with a beauty blender like I'm doing. Then I'm straightly moving on to the eyes, and for that I'm using this contour palette by Wet n Wild again, because Deepika wasn't wearing any noticeable eyeshadow color to her eyes, so I'm going to achieve the exact same look. And just to give my eyes a transition effect, I'm using this color just above my crease line, and then to my crease line I'm using this non-existent color by Maybelline Nudes palette and applying it directly to my crease line to have some definition to my eyes. And Deepika surely had some glow going on to her lids, so I'm also going to apply a little shimmery shade to my lid area to have that glow like Deepika. And then to tightline my upper lash line, I'm using this Colossal Kajal by Maybelline, and I'm tightlining my upper lash line and then smudging it with a blending brush like so to achieve Deepika's look. And then to coat my lashes, I'm using this mascara by Verimi Oriflame, and this literally gives my eyelashes length, so I'm using this as Deepika's eyelashes were pretty natural, so I'm also going to use a little natural eyelashes. And then for my bottom lash line, I'm using the same color that I used in my lid areas. Along with that, I'm also going to use a black and ashy color eyeshadow to the outer and inner corner of my bottom lash line to match Deepika's eyes, and that is going to be it for the eye look. And I've already applied some natural lashes to my eyes, and then I'm done with my brows as well. And I'm directly moving on to the highlighter, and for that I'm using this Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate, which is the star of today's look. And I'm taking this highlighter in a brush like so and applying this to my cheekbones to highlight it. As you can see, this gives so goddess glow. Oh my god, I fell in love with it when I first used it, and this is pretty awesome. You should try this. This is a very good, very good drugstore highlighter, and I highly recommend this to you. And yeah, I apply this to the cheekbone area because in this picture Deepika's face were glowing like hell, so I'm also trying to achieve that look, and as you can see, this gives me so pretty natural glow. So yeah, I'm highlighting my usual areas, which are cheekbone, chin, forehead, and I'm also applying this to the tip of my nose and in between my eyes. And I'm not going to apply this to the whole bridge of my nose because I want this look to be pretty natural, so I'm doing that. And again, I'm going to apply this to the cupid's bow to highlight that, and also to my inner corners and the brow bone, and that is going to be it. And then I remember that I forgot to contour my nose, so I'm contouring my nose with the same non-existent color from the Nudes palette, and this gives me a shadow and sharpen my nose. In the picture we can see that Deepika was wearing a lip color similar to this lip color, which is burgundy maroon sort of a shade. So I'm applying this lipsticks. I don't know from which brand this lipstick is from, so yeah, this perfectly matches to her lip shade, so I'm applying this to my lips. And as I do not have any lip liner matching to this lipstick, so I am trying to line my lips with the same lipstick. So yeah, with that I am done. So Deepika in this picture had a middle partition and her hair was such a mess. So I am also trying to achieve the same look by teasing my hair with my hand and just to have the same look, but she had a wavy touch to her hair and I do not have that, but I'm working with it with my straight hair, and I am done with the tutorial. And this is the final look inspired by Deepika Padukone. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope I did a pretty good job to match the picture that I picked up. But I'm really not trying to look like a Deepika. It's just an inspired look, and I love doing inspired look. In case you're wondering how this will look on in the natural sunlight, so here's the answer. This is a very simple, subtle, glowy makeup look for everyday kind of look, and I just loved it totally. Do let me know whether you like it or not. So that is it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed it thoroughly, because I enjoyed making this. I enjoyed doing this. I love makeup, and when it's inspired by your favorite actress, then of course you're gonna enjoy. So if you also enjoyed the way I enjoyed doing it, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel for more such videos, and I'll be seeing you with other tutorial very soon. And you can also request me in the comment section what you wanna see. Till then, take care and love yourself, and I love you so much.